Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you one amazing exercises, particularly if you are over 50, which will help with lymphatic drainage, boosting circulation around the body and releasing tight tension within the fascia. Now I'm inside, so I'm not wearing any shoes or any slippers. You can wear trainers if you like. What we're going to do first is just roll our shoulders back and just get a bit of movement in the shoulders, just warming up the body slightly, and then just reset the shoulder. And then you want your head nice and straight and your back nice and straight. So you're nice and in alignment. Placing our hands onto our tummy and just gently breathing in for 3 and hold that engagement, that core if you like. This will also help protect the back. So what we're going to do, we're going to stand and we just want to make sure that our feet are nice and stretched out our toes, so you've got maximum area on the floor. And then we're just gently going to lift up with our toes and then come back down. And we're going to do this at a slightly higher rate, so we're almost bobbing up and down, almost hopping if you like. So just standing, legs, feet width apart, and just gently start to bob. And what we're doing here, we're moving everything within the lymph, and you want to relax the whole body. You don't want to be holding on to any tight tension, and just bob up and down on the toes, relaxing the arms and sway them around if you like. Again, making sure your tummy is a little bit engaged here, slightly engaged. And you want to do this for a few moments, for a few minutes. Let's do this for another count of 12. Again, relaxing all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and slow up. So now we're going to do it again, but we're just going to have our legs out just slightly further apart now, if you like. You don't have to, you can keep to the same position, but we're just going to also help with engaging some other muscles as well. So remember, shoulders nice and relaxed, nice and set back, back nice and straight, including the head, pretending that you've got a piece of string hanging up from your head all the way to the ceiling, and relaxing all the tension, placing our hand onto our core, holding for 3, and let's just start to jump up and down. Again, you want the toes remaining on the floor and relaxing all the body. Let's do this again, relaxing all the arms. Looks a bit silly, but it really does help with lymphatic drainage and releasing that tight tension within the fascia. So let's count for another 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and release. And let's do this one last time. So I'm coming back with my feet more like together, really, if you like. You don't want to lose your balance. So you're just making sure the toes again are spread out, hand on the core, holding in gently for 3, shoulders nice and relaxed and in placement, back nice and straight. And let's just jog up and just come up and down, onto the toes and down again. And you can do this inside or even better outside on the grass. So you can do some grounding as well. So let's count again for 12. 1, 2, 3, relaxing the arms. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and slow up. And you'll find this is such a great one. Again, it boosts immunity. We're moving toxins and waste around the body, also releasing that tight tension within the fascia. Easy to do. Again, if you do find it hard standing, you can always hold on to a ledge or something if you feel slightly unbalanced. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content. I will leave a playlist if you'd like to join me there, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay. Okay, bye.